Hello everybody, this is Michael here from Too Many Dogs, No Legs. Talking to family here, friends, people who wander by. We're at Sproat Lake Provincial Park. Nice little park just north of Port, no, not north, just west, I guess, of Port Alberni on the Pacific Rim Highway, right off the highway, in fact. Very convenient to get to. Not what I would call a backcountry park at all. The park is divided into two parts. There's an upper park and a lower park. We stayed at the upper park, was just your basic campground, pad, picnic table, no electricity. And the lower park, which fronts the lake here, picnic grounds, kind of manicured a little bit.
That's good puppies.
It's apparently a popular park in the summer. There's a beach. Also has some other features like petroglyphs, which are kind of cool. Having lived quite close to petroglyphs in Ontario, they're very different looking. Obviously, different traditions. And there's some sort of helicopter going on there. We'll see more of that in a second. I wonder what the petroglyphs mean. But they depict killer whales and turtles and mythological creatures. I once spoke to an elder of Curve Lake about the petroglyphs, and he said that each petroglyph in Ontario each petroglyph had carved into the rock at Petroglyphs Park in Ontario represented a myth or story within their mythological framework. And so you kind of get a coherent understanding of the mythologies by looking at a few petroglyphs, which is kind of interesting. And I wonder if the same is here too. Whether, for example, the killer whale petroglyph represents a whole cycle of stories or a story regarding a killer whale. And this is Sproat Lake, a bit of a gravel beach. I'm not sure there's sand here. Doesn't seem to be a lot of sand beaches on these lakes. I guess it's kind of sandy, a little bit. Maybe. Looks very pleasant though. And there's that helicopter again. It's seems to be practicing dumping water, I guess, for forest fires, which is kind of cool. Anyway, that's really about it for Sproat Lake. Just a pleasant little place. No exactly spectacular, but quite nice in its way. If you like this video, please hit that button. Subscribe, share, whatever. You know the drill. We'll talk to you next time.